14 nothing. I think that speaks for itself. So how do you feel after the game?
Well, over the moon. I mean, the game started off real slow, and we genuinely thought we were going to lose, and everybody pulled out of the bag, so it was really, really good.
Oh, that's impressive. So how are you going to celebrate?
We're going to watch the other sports and maintain composure, and then probably all go to sleep early and just have a good early night, I think.
Really? Okay. No LCR.
LCR? What's that? Sorry. Yeah, no, we're all going out and it'll be a mess. I'm sorry. Anybody sees me out, I'm really, really sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so watch out for that guy.
How was the match, and how did you guys prepare for it?
We've been training for the last 2 weeks for this game. We finished our season again like 2 weeks ago. We've been down at Colony 3 times a week, getting ready. Really happy for the boys. And yeah, big game today. Big game for the boys.
Yeah, I mean, I think the beginning of the game started real slow, and I think we were all a bit worried. It was overcast, and it felt like it was going to be a bit of a letdown. But the sun came out, and we started getting ahead. So yeah, really, really happy with the score.
Right. Sun out, guns out, right? That's the motto.
Exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.